What is going on, boat people? It's your boat guy, Zach. Today, I'm going to be showing our last 2021 Corsa from Barletta, the 25 Ultra Entertainer. One of the best looking boats on the market today, the matte black exterior with the white accent pairs super nicely with the sporty look that Corsa gives us. We have a 115 horsepower Mercury command thrust equipped on this thing. Command thrust meaning bigger gear case, bigger prop, and better push out of the water. Here's a nice look at the stereo remote off the back so you can adjust the radio right from the water. Take a look at this lounger. Barletta by far has one of the best in the business. So many configurations. Lay it flat, lounge facing backwards, lounge facing forwards. I could lay back there all day. I mean, just look at it. It's massive. Enough room for 14 passengers. You can bring the whole family, even Uncle Johnny, his 3 ex-wives, and their kids. Check out the helm. Lots of legroom here. Even has a wireless phone charger, RGB lighting package, Hertz Bluetooth stereo system, and a touchscreen SIMRAD unit. This may be Barletta's sport boat, but it packs the Barletta luxury and quality standards throughout. There's USB ports littered everywhere, and of course, Barletta's standard power bimini top. Shout out to all the boat dogs out there because it wouldn't be a Barletta without the pull-out doggy water bowl. Now this table that sits on the back of the ski tow bar here, called Naughty Bar Table, is a custom-made table for this Barletta. It's an extra piece that can be bought separate, but still allows you to be able to connect the tow ropes if need be. Thanks for watching. You can find this boat and others like it on skipperbuds.com. This is your boat guy, Zach. See you soon.